Crude oil today has taken a sharp hit. It has come towards the next support zone at 67.868. Can we expect this zone to offer a greater support for crude oil? Can we expect it to reverse from these levels, or there is a further correction which is awaited? Likewise with natural gas. See, natural gas taking the support from $4 levels has now moved towards the next critical resistance at 4.1, staying bullish. What to expect now from oil and gas with the US session? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit, we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. We also have the natural gas storage data today that might affect the gas prices. Be mindful of this and how to profit with that, we're gonna see with the analysis. First we look into oil, followed with gas. Watch till the end. Also, this is the second update for the day, and to get the notifications and to watch the first update with the Asia and Europe session, do not miss to press the bell icon, which allows us to give you the notifications. Join the free Telegram channel where you get the live updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. And friends, do like, share, and comment, which is always a great motivation. Let's start. Oil on the hourly charts has taken a sharp hit since yesterday. It has hit the next milestone at 72, and it has fallen into a correction zone, coming all the way now towards 68. Now 68, 67.8 indeed is a very good support. If that is taken, we are looking forward to another round of drop, which is going to take it towards 67.4, 67.6, and then 67 zone. Remember, again and again, the same level 65 to 67. This is the zone which has offered a greater support for crude oil since ages now, means since last few years. And if that is taken, that is the point you can say now the crash should be awaited in oil prices. Right now, if you look at the hourly chart, sharp correction is seen, and yes, it has given a gap down as well. So from 72, we have seen it hitting all the way towards 68. Let it stay below 67.8, which should confirm further correction. Stock IC coming to an oversold zone. MACD sharply bearish. RSI is staying oversold. Coming to 2 on the 2-hour chart, similar observation. It is coming outside Bollinger Bands. It might put the pressure on the bands to expand, though the bands have expanded sharp here on the downside. Also notice this is the zone from where we have seen oil rising. It has come towards the same zone. Now I'll be watchful below 67.8. Be watchful of 67.3, 67.4 as the first target, and then 66.8 as the next. If that is also taken, you can just stay short. We are looking forward to 66.2 and lower levels, and then it will fall into a correction zone where 65 will be breached as well. Let's watch out how it behaves. First of all, whether it falls into the 65 67 zone, and how it behaves in this zone, that is going to be of prime importance. Moving average is crossed over here. Certainly it's a bearish sign. Stochastic oversold. MACD sharply bearish. RSI oversold. Things are definitely coming to an oversold zone here. Coming to 3 hour. On the 3 hour charts, the candle starting on a bearish note. It is looking downwards, and it appears, see, preceding candle closing or at the bottom and continuing, the current candle continuing on the downside. This is just continuation of bearishness. If you see it is staying below 67.8, you can initiate a selling entry, but then you have to be cautious. You have to be cautious and watchful for 67.2, 66.6, 66.5, and then 66. This is the baseline here. Below this is where you can expect 65, and below 65 it is going to enter into sharp correction territory all the way towards 60, though appears difficult for oil to deliver such a move. Moving averages have started to converge, not yet crossed over though. Stock IC oversold, MACD sharply bearish looking downwards, RSI at bottom. Things are definitely coming to an oversold zone here. Coming to 4 hour chart, similar is the observation on the 4 hour chart. It is outside Bollinger Bands. It may try to fall back within the bands. The resistance on the upside is 69.2, 69.3 is going to be stronger, and then towards 70. Only and only if you see oil trading above 70, you can treat this for reversal. Else, as long as now it stays below 70, the stance is pretty much bearish. If you see the stock IC, this has come to an oversold levels. The MACD is sharply bearish looking downwards. The RSI is already at bottom. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, what has happened? Notice this. So coming to the daily chart, see what has happened after a greater drop. It is retraced here all the way towards 72, and now see, we have discussed this, that see, the drop was sharp, the retracement is gradual, and see, in the just couple of candles we have seen oil erasing gains for almost 6 to 10 sessions here. Yes, and now it is turning into or entering into bearish territory. Moving averages are still trading with divergence, staying bearish. The possibility of a move towards 66, 65 cannot be denied, because see, it is coming out of this bearish channel, and this coming out of the bearish channel definitely triggers the bears out here, because the breakout is definitely going to be severe. Let's watch out if it stays below 67.4, 67.3, and then 66.8 zone. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is in green, trying to converge crossover for sell. The RSI is looking downwards. So now, before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch, which is starting on 5th of May. And if you're looking forward to just signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So considering this, I'll recommend you to sell here at 67.8 levels. It is already trading below 67.8. This is the higher levels has to be below 67.8. You can initiate a selling entry here and expect the price is to move all the way towards 67.4, 67.3, which should be a very good support here. And if that is taken, then you can look forward to 66.8 and then 66, 66.2. Any drop below 66, 66.2 is a clear indication of further correction. And then the most important level is 65, below which it should fall for a near term bearish territory where the prices might head lower, 63.5, 62 or 60 levels. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. On the upside, the buying entries now I'll recommend is at 68.4, 68.6 zone, expect 69, 69.2, and only if you see oil trading above 69, 69.2, expect it to move towards 69.6 and 70. And if it trades above 70, this is a reversal. I do not expect it to deliver such a reversal at least today. Yes, it is possible in next few sessions, but today it appears difficult. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Let's move to natural gas. See, natural gas has moved towards the next target zone at 4.1, 4.12, and see, this is also, it is trying to stay within the zone 4, 4.1, 4.12, and now it is very, very important for net gas to break beyond 4.18, 4.2. If these two levels are taken, then 4.3 will appear. Notice what's happening here. See, after this greater drop, it is consolidated here, then again a rise higher lows, so it might deliver higher highs, which suggests that it may continue to move all the way towards 4.1415 or in fact 4.18, 4.2. A move beyond 4.2 is a clear sign of reversal. Moving averages are now looking upwards, which is a good sign for the bulls. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI rising, signs are supportive for further rise here. Coming to 2 hour chart, gas on the 2 hour chart, similar observation. Only thing is it has to stay above 4.2. Only and only if it trades above 4.2, we can treat this for a reversal. See, notice what's happening. Drop, retracement, drop, retracement. Higher lows here, higher highs here, and once it trades beyond 4.1516, you can look forward to a round of rise, and specifically beyond 4.182, it should be a reversal. The stochastic rising, the MACD is rising, the RSI is rising, all the signs are supportive for further bullishness here. Coming to the 3 hour chart, similar observation here. See, if you divide this into two, you can see symmetry here. Thus, it is very, very important for gas to now stay above 4.12 and then 4.1618 zone. And then I will say till 4.2, you have to be careful with the buys. Only and only if it stays above 4.2, you can expect another round of rise, taking net gas all the way towards 4.3. And once it trades beyond 4.3, that is the time you can confirm that it is a rally ahead for net gas, taking it all the way towards 4.5 and 4.8 levels. See, the moving averages are in green. Stochastic rising. MACD after a good retracement, it is crossing over here, which is also a supportive sign for the bulls. But early to conclude, only if you see it is staying above 4.12 and then 4.2 levels, you can say it is turning bullish. RSI rising. Coming to 4 hour. On the 4 hour chart, the observation is more or less same here after this greater drop, retracement, and now waiting for it to stay above 4.1 to 4.16 zone and then 4.2. If these levels are taken, you can say net gas is turning bullish, and specifically a move beyond 4.3 is the confirmation of reversal. Also notice, if you see this move, largely drop, retracement drop, and it is trying to bounce back. And now once it trades above 4.3, you can expect the next move to be all the way towards 4.4 to 44 and then 4.5 levels. Stochastic rising, MACD is trying to converge crossover for the buys. The RSI is rising, which is again a very good sign for the bulls. Coming to the daily, on the daily charts, what's happening? Notice higher lows, lower highs here. Preceding candle coming with the bottom here at 4 for 3.98 zone. With that as support, it is trying to rise. Once it breaches past yesterday's high, we can in fact expect it to move towards 4.18, 4.2 zone. And once it trades beyond 4.2, that is the time you can confirm that the next move is going to take it all the way towards 4.3. Notice drop, retracement, and this time the breakout might be very strong, very bullish. It can in fact move past 4.4 to 4.4 zone very, very soon. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is at bottom. The RSI is rising. So looking at this, I will recommend you to buy here at 4.12. Expect it to move towards 4.16, 4.2. And then once 4.2 is taken, stay bullish for 4.3 levels, possibly very, very soon, if not today. Beyond 4.3, it is going to be 4.4 to 4.4 zone. On the downside, the selling entry now is only below 4.04 levels. Expect 4. 3.98. Only and only if you see below 3, see net gas below 3.98, you can see this as bearish. You can think of it as a bearish, and then once it trades below 3.98, then we can expect a greater correction, which is going to take it all the way towards 3.9 and lower levels. However, right now I can see signs are still pretty much bullish. We can expect a rise from here. Take your positions, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Do not miss to watch the next update with the Asia and Europe session. That will give you a fair bit of idea tomorrow on how to profit trading oil and gas with the Asia and Europe session. Do watch that as well. Subscribe, press the bell icon. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.